Are you in search of the perfect jacket to keep you warm and dry this winter? Look no further than the men's mountain waterproof ski jacket. Crafted from 100% polyester fabric, this imported gem embodies the perfect blend of style and functionality. Care for this jacket is a breeze as it requires hand washing only. This isn't just another winter coat, it's a testament to comfort and durability. This jacket isn't just another winter wear, it's a promise of comfort and durability. Ever wondered what makes a jacket truly winterproof? Well, let's delve into the world of this men's mountain waterproof ski jacket. This isn't just a jacket. It's a fortress against the elements. The outer fabric is not only waterproof, but also quick-drying, rain, sleet, or snow. This jacket has you covered. And the secret to its waterproof magic, a professional water-repellent coating? That's what. But what about that bone-chilling wind, you ask? We've got that handled too. With adjustable hook and loop fastener cuffs and an internal drawcord hem, you can seal in warmth like a pro. Plus, a detachable and adjustable storm hood adds an extra layer of wind resistance. Let's not forget about the jacket's heart, its fluff lining. It's like wearing a warm hug. Coupled with a durable fabric, it guarantees the best heat retention you could ask for. With this jacket, winter winds and rains are no longer a worry. But this jacket isn't just for braving the cold, it's a versatile companion for your winter adventures. Whether you're carving your way down a mountainside on skis, impressing friends with your snowboarding skills, or participating in other snow sports, this jacket has got you covered. It offers a standard fit, so simply choose your size based on US measurements for a comfortable, relaxed fit. So why wait? Click the link in the description box for more details and make this winter a comfortable one.